Hey guys, this is an unboxing and first impressions video of Samsung Galaxy A6, and this is a pretty new phone. This was released in May of this year, May of 2018, and this is a mid-range phone and it seems to be a pretty good phone, and so we'll see today. And to kind of see around the box, it is a pretty elegant box. It's a very Samsung-like box, and interestingly, there are no specifications listed on the box, not at all. So that was just interesting because most phones do have specifications on the box, but I can read it off. So this phone has 5.6 inches in screen. It is 720p, so it is a pretty low resolution. And it's a 16 megapixel camera, and it shoots 1080p video. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, and its chip is Exynos 7870 Octa, and it has a 3000 milliamps of battery. So the specs are honestly pretty good, maybe except for the screen, but we'll take a look at the screen. So let's open the box and take a look. Very nice packaging. So we have the phone here. And inside the box, we've got SIM card, we've got some quick start guide, and wall adapter and USB. It is a USB. It's a micro USB, so no USB-C, which is kind of a bummer. I think there should be USB-C at this point in time for all phones, but they decided not to put USB-C. So let's unwrap this. So Samsung has a very special way of wrapping it where you kind of have to. So I have successfully unwrapped it, and it looks beautiful. Honestly, this is one of the best phones I felt, one of the best mid-range phones I think I felt. It's very nice build. It has an all-metal construction in the back, and the antenna lines kind of remind you of iPhones, but at the same time, not really. And then the camera actually really reminds me of the Galaxy, and especially the fingerprint scanner right here. This just all reminds me of Galaxy S9, and there is another antenna band so that it's equal, but it just feels really nice in the hand. It does feel a little bit heavy, but it just gives it a really premium feel. And so if we look around the phone, this color is just all black, so it looks really nice. If we look around the phone, there is a microphone, there is a volume button, and there's a SIM card slot, and it unfortunately uses micro USB and headphone jack, however, so that's good. And there's also a power button and a speaker on the side. Interesting location. So let's boot this thing up. It's really feels really nice in the hand. So takes a while. So this is this general screen, and the screen honestly has a pretty good like bezel in terms of how small the bezels are. They are pretty small and thin. I would say the top and the bottom is a little bit thicker, but honestly it might be a little bit, just a little bit thicker than the Galaxy S line and the Note. But it is pretty substantial. I mean, you can see. Oh, I would actually compare the bezels to Google Pixel, probably Pixel 2 or 2 XL, about that thick, and it kind of reminds me of that, the front. But it is a 720p display, but obviously it looks fine from here, and it is a mid-ranger, so 720p honestly seems pretty adequate. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll probably make a full review video of this phone, so stay tuned for that and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up.